Hi everyone, are you guys also having a problem with your Safari not loading any websites? Here's how you can try to fix it. So first thing might be restricted contents, for which you can get to the settings and check it out. From settings, scroll down a bit until you see screen time, tap on screen time, and from here you can tap on content and privacy restrictions. So after tapping on it here, you can tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. And after doing that, here you can see the option of web content, tap on it. And here you can see only approved websites are selected. So we're going to tap on unrestricted in order to not restrict any kind of website. Now you can go back and simply open your Safari and check whether your website is working or not. So if it's still not working, the next thing might be some kind of bug with Safari. So you'll have to clear the history, for which you can get to the settings again. And from your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. And from here, search Safari. So tap on Safari and simply open the settings, and from here you can now scroll down until you see the option of clear history and website data. So if you tap on it, you can now select all history and all profiles, and if you want to close all of the tabs, you can select this button and then tap on clear history. So after doing that, you can again go back and check Safari if it's working or not. So hopefully these two things might fix your problem, but if it's still not fixing, then it might be the problem with your network. Your network might be blocking the specific websites. So try to switch your network or try to connect to your cellular data and try to see if it works or not. And yeah, that is it. Hopefully these things will work for you guys, and see you in the next.